Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. Make a ponytail like this with the help of a rubber band, and after making a ponytail you need to divide them into two equal parts. Now just follow the very few easy steps that are being taken place in this video and you will get your very majestic and easy hairstyle done within very few seconds. As you can see, this bun is ready. Now first you need to take the front ends of your hair strips like this, and after taking those you need to first braid the one part of your hairs, and after that you need to take the bristles out of your hairs. Now take another braid too and make this hairstyle. Make a ponytail and start dividing your hairs into these parts. After that you can simply insert or overlap them into this position. After overlapping, your bun will be done. Now after reaching at this stage, you can simply proceed toward this hairstyle following these very few easy steps. Kindly note the process that is being taken place and your bun will be done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.